In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the SteamVR error 451. Now, the way that you can do this is the first one is you want to right-click on your desktop and go to Display Settings in here. You want to find Graphic Settings. In Graphic Settings, you want to try and turn Hard Drive Accelerate GPU off. So click on this to turn it off. Restart your PC and then see if it works. Now, it works for me even if I have it on, but try and turn yours off and restart PC. Now, the other thing you can try and do is come here and search for Network, or just go to Settings. Anything will be fine in there. You want to head to Network and Internet once you're in there. What you want to do is you want to click on your Internet in here. You want to try and change your network profile to private. So if you want public, change it to private, restart your PC, and then hopefully this will work for you. Now, any of these two should hopefully work for you, and you should also remember to restart your PC after doing this. If this video helped you out, please like and subscribe for more tips.